I might look like I slept 9 hours, but I definitely didn't. Here's how I fake it. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am, no makeup, no hair, no anything. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. It's the end of the year and I feel like you can probably relate. I feel like I'm running a million miles an hour, pretty much on empty, trying to get everything done before the holidays and try to attempt to squeeze in some time off. But it's not easy right now. But this is not how I want to show up for the world, and I bet you don't either. So today I'm going to really be diving into simple, implementable things, little tricks, little habits I've got up my sleeve so that we really show up as the fresher, glowier, most you version of you. Now this one is a K-beauty staple. It might seem a little bit crazy, but I promise you it works. And guess what? It costs you $0. And that is the wake up slap. So basically you're going to gently smack your face. And I particularly find this useful in the morning. Now, if you watched the Nader Sisters series, they had a whole thing where they liked smacking each other's faces. I'm not talking like that, but there is something about just lightly tapping on your face and hitting your face where you're getting that circulation, you're getting that blood flow, and it does kind of just wake you up a little bit. So again, we're not going for bruising, we're not going for red marks, but just a little bit to get that circulation, that blood flow, that just movement in your face going. I promise you this one works. Now, obviously, if you're gonna do this, you gotta have clean, washed hands. You don't wanna do this with grimy hands. Even if you've been on your computer or your phone, make sure you wash your hands with soap and water. And you just wanna do it for 20 or 30 seconds. So just by doing this for a few seconds, it can actually stimulate the facial muscles so that you go from that kind of droopy, dragging down to a more lifted appearance. Again, because of that circulation and the blood flow. So if you've never tried this, why not? Give it a try. Just try, especially on those days where you feel like you're dragging and your face has just fallen down. Give yourself a little tappy tap and I promise you, you are going to see and feel the difference. This is another one that is so silly simple, but I swear it works wonders. And for me, if I do nothing to my face on no makeup days, days where I literally have zero time to do anything, but I know I might run into someone, the only thing that I will do is brush up my brows. Why? Because your brows frame your entire face. And if your brows are kind of messy and they're not kind of brushed up, it's just going to make your face seem a little bit droopier than it would be if you brush those brows up. Look at my brows right now. I brush them kind of straight up, all right? Now, I do recommend that you use a tinted brow gel. One of my favorite ones is the Merit, and I will leave it linked down below in the description and also here on YouTube for ease of shopping. It makes my brows in one easy step get a little bit of color, but also that little bit of lift. And like I said, it really frames your eyes. So if your brows are done, even if you are so tired, you will get just a little bit of lift. Now, bonus points. If you've been here for a while, you know what I'm gonna say next. I have a ton of gray eyebrow hair. I hate it. I don't like it because it just washes me out. So the contrast rule is in full effect here. If you're not tinting your eyebrows already, I highly recommend you start, especially if you're a pale skin girly like me. Having a darker brow, it just really gives my face a little bit of contrast, a little bit of shape, and it just lifts the face so much. And all I use is Just for Men beard dye. I know, crazy as it may seem, super inexpensive. I've had the same tube now, I'm not even kidding you, probably for 5 years. You use the tiniest, a pea size amount on an angled eye makeup brush and you just kind of put it in for a couple of seconds, wash it off. I get nervous, so I like to do it a few times, and I'm telling you, this makes a huge difference. And also, it also saves you time because on those days I can just brush it up with clear or just an eyebrow brush and I am done for the day, which we love. So we're looking more awake, plus we're saving time. A few months ago, I went to this event and I've talked about it so much, but I'm telling you, ladies, this one really kind of traumatized me. I'm not kidding you. I'm not being dramatic at all. But I saw my skin under a UV light. And to tell you that I wasn't a complete freckle face, it just really was shocking. It was dramatic. It made me have a lot of thoughts about my skin and my sun care. So If you are feeling like your skin is looking dull, it's looking kind of not as vibrant as you would like, vitamin C is key. And to me, looking more awake, it really starts with that foundation. So a vitamin C serum is absolutely essential, especially if you've been looking in the mirror going, what's going on with my face? Vitamin C is gonna brighten dull and tired skin instantly. We love that, but it can also help with sunspots and kind of removing them over time with consistent use. Now, if you are a sensitive skin girly, a little word to the wise. I've done this before with a strong vitamin C where I've accidentally put it under my eyes because I was just doing my skincare thing, and you can get sensitive. I've had like little red dots come up before. I feel like now my skin is actually less sensitive, so I kind of can put just a little bit underneath my eyes too, but you do you know your skin best. But I put it all over my face and on my neck, and I do this in the morning. Of course, we want to protect our skin as well, but this is just one of the easiest tricks with consistent use where you're just not gonna wake up having that dull skin and that dull look. And again, we love a little trick that's gonna make you look like you slept even when you didn't. This is what I like to call a skincare sandwich, and I bet you're not doing this. So this is something that I really recommend every single woman do, especially if you are over the age of 40. And that is what I like to call a skincare sandwich. So first you want to mist your skin with some kind of a hydrating mist. You can go really low and inexpensive, like just a simple rose water mist, or even one if you're a DIY kind of girly, you could make it yourself, or something that's a little bit more luxurious like the Caudalie one, or I've got one from Primarily Pure that I love. I love doing this because it does wake me up, because it has aromatics in it. It has aromatherapy in it. It smells so delicious, and it just is like that reminder to give to yourself. I've been using a facial mist on my skin now, gosh, probably for about 15 years. But the skincare sandwich is the mist on your face, then some kind of moisturizer. If you're not doing any other actives or anything on your skin and you just need to get out the door, spritz, 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 a little moisture all over your face, and then spritz it again. So the bread of the sandwich is the facial mist. It smells delicious, it's hydrating, but really importantly, it is sealing in that moisture, and that's what we really want. Oh, another hot tip with this, that facial mist is a great way to sort of wake up your face midday when you feel like your makeup is sort of fading or maybe getting a little bit dry. This will just revive the skin again, put that life back in your skin, and kind of just wake up your makeup just a little bit too. In my humble opinion, not looking exhausted really starts the night before. And no, I'm not talking about getting sleep, because sometimes we get it and sometimes we don't. I'm talking about your skin and how you're taking care of your skin the night before. And the Cure micro infusion system gives you that, like, I just slept for 9 hours look, even if you really didn't. The microinfusion system creates these tiny little micro channels that help your serums actually absorb and not just sit on the skin's surface. Your skin is gonna look plumper, look dewier, look glowier, and for me, I see an immediate effect the next day after using my microinfusion system. It gives me that, like, I slept 9 hours and I drank chlorophyll all day kind of look. And I also love it because there's zero downtime. It's basically painless, and most importantly, it saves me time because I can do it at home. Once my daughter's asleep, a couple times a month, I'm like, okay, it's Cure micro infusion system time, and I get to give myself a really effective at-home treatment. It's so simple to do. You just kind of fill up one of the serums, and then you attach a clean needle head. You let that soak for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then starting in the center of your face, you work outward. Just 2 to 3 passes for each area. It takes just minutes, and the results show up fast. This is one of my key habits that I love doing when I feel like my skin is looking dull, it's looking dry, and it's just not giving the life that I want it to. I love this. And especially at this time of year, if you haven't checked out the Cure microinfusion system, now is the time, because I hooked you up with something amazing. Cure is offering you, my community, 70, yes, you heard me right, 70% off when you check out the microinfusion system now, and there's 6 months supply. I'll leave everything linked down below in the description box for you, and and of course on the QR code here if you're watching us on TV. When the face just isn't facing, sometimes what we need to do is actually manipulate it into place. Now I know this sounds crazy, and if you've been here for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of gua sha. I truly, truly believe that gua sha has really improved the appearance of my skin so much that so many people are like, did you get a facelift? I'm like, I didn't get a facelift, but I have really, really committed to my skincare and my skincare treatments fiercely over this year, and gua sha is one of them. But sometimes a girl does not have time for gua sha. So if you've got just 1 minute, you can either use a gua sha or your little hands here for a little facial massage. Now for me, if I get really, really tired, where it shows up is around my eyes. My eyes start looking half closed and the muscles are just not muscling to keep them up. So what I'll do is just massage my eyebrow with either my fingers or even with the handle of a spoon. Bonus points if you're using a spoon, you can kind of keep it in the fridge so it's nice and cool, or the edge of your gua sha, and it just kind of breaks up some of that tension so that the muscles in your face can do what they're supposed to do, which is hold that gorgeous face up. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried this, try it now. If you want to check out my gua sha routine, I've got a full gua sha routine that takes just like about 5 to 7 minutes that you can follow along and do. But even if you've got just 1 minute, just focus on the eyebrows and massage that. Hands, gua sha, a spoon, whatever, but just gently do it. It breaks up that tension and it just gives you that immediate eye lift. So maybe people think, did you get work done? Now, sometimes we do need a little help of smoke and mirrors from some makeup. So for me, I like to have kind of in my pocket my bare minimum face so that I can get out the door in 5 minutes or less and look reasonably put together. So I told you that if I do nothing else, eyebrows. Eyebrows for me are key. But if I've got 2 or 3 more minutes, blush. Again, I am very, very pale, so having a little bit of color in my cheeks is really key. Sometimes I am just so busy and so strapped for time, I don't even have time to reach for the blush. What I will do instead is use a red lip gloss. I know it sounds crazy, but just a couple dots on the cheek, and then I'll put some on my nose. But that's such a great time saver because not only does it give me that little bit of color from the lip gloss, but it also gives you a little bit of a natural highlighter because you're actually using like a lip oil or a lip gloss, and it's giving you that little bit of gloss. See, we love a little time save. And then, you know, I don't want my lips to look dry and dull, so maybe I'll put that same lip gloss on my lips or just even like a clear gloss, something to moisturize and plump up my lips a little bit. Once that's done, a little quick curl of the lashes without even using mascara, and it just, again, opens up the eyes. That takes me literally like 3 minutes, and it's so worth it on a day where, again, maybe I'm taking a workout class with a friend or I'm going to grab a coffee and I don't want like a full bead of makeup on, but I want to look reasonably put together and also just like kind of like a healthy girl kind of look. Now, I've been a certified personal trainer and a Pilates instructor now for over 25 years, so you probably knew this one was coming. But if we move our body, we get circulation going in your body. So even if you just do 10 jumping jacks or just do something like this, kind of hop around. You know, I remember when I was like even waiting tables when I was in my 20s and I would get just tired, like maybe I was doing a double shift and I was standing on my feet all day, and even at 22, 23 years old, I was like, I am straight up tired. Lord knows I probably wasn't sleeping then. I would just kind of bounce around like this or do a couple jumping jacks by the coffee station because that movement, that circulation, it wakes you up. It's like a natural coffee. So if you're super, super tired, just ask yourself, did I move today or was I just go, go, go? Give yourself 20 seconds, 10 jumping jacks. Maybe you do a push-up or maybe you just do that little bounce like I just did. It gets the circulation and the blood flow going so that you just feel a little bit more woken up. Plus, it's going to give you a little natural flush on your face. And this one is so silly, simple, but maybe you are not thinking of it. And that is just wearing a little bit of color near your face. Now, everyone's skin tone is different, so what colors flatter you are really up to you and your skin tone. But I know that like if I was wearing a black jacket today, as much as I do love wearing black, that's gonna give me a different look than this sort of like light colored denim. It's just giving me a little bit of color. I've got brown on everywhere else, so it just kind of wakes me up a little bit. This was done intentionally for you. But find out what colors really flatter you the most. Like, I love wearing yellow. If I wear a little yellow jacket, I know I'm gonna look a little fresher, a little bit more vibrant, right? Pink is a great color as well that just kind of gives me that natural reflection on my face. So figure out, maybe you do your color analysis. You can even just do it virtually and just ask ChatGPT, what are the best colors for me, if you submit a photo of yourself. I've heard that people have done that before. Now, so just try it out. But again, it's such a simple, like 2-second thing to do that's gonna make you look a little bit more awake, even if you feel like you are absolutely exhausted. So that is what I have for you, my gorgeous, gorgeous girls. Look, sometimes we just get tired and we need rest. And especially this time of year, there is a lot on our plates, but I am here to remind you that you are worth it. You are worth looking and feeling your best at any age or any stage of life. Try to get some rest if you can, but if you can't, just implement some of these little tricks, because I promise you they all really work. So let's get active in the comments. It's one of my favorite things to do. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which of these you are going to implement. And if I missed anything, also let me know that down below. Oh, and I wanna let you know really quickly, I still do have a couple of spaces left for my La Dolce Vita retreat in Italy. It's happening May 4th through 9th, 2026. It is, if you are tired and you are tired of giving to everybody else and doing and all the things, and you are burnt out and you really want to treat yourself to what you actually want for a holiday gift, this is for you. So all of the information will be linked down below in the description box, and we'll also have it pinned as the top comment for you. Definitely check it out. I would love to have you. So just let me know if you've got any questions. You can either leave a comment here or just DM me on Instagram. I am more than happy to help. You are gorgeous. You are awesome. You are amazing. And if you want to keep hanging with me here on YouTube, make sure to check out this video next. I'll see you there.